So we previously discussed why we use so many lithium-ion batteries in our lives and the disadvantages of these devices. So in this video, I'm going to briefly explain what is actually inside of a lithium-ion battery pack. So what is inside of a lithium-ion battery pack? Well, a pack is made up of these things called lithium-ion cells. And all three of these here that we can see in these images are different types of a lithium-ion battery cell. So for this course, you don't need to know what these different versions are. But the important thing to note here is that when someone talks about a lithium-ion battery, they're generally talking about a device that has a number of cells all connected together inside of the battery pack. A lithium-ion battery pack is typically filled with these cells. And we can think of a cell as a building block for a lithium-ion battery pack, with each cell typically having a voltage range of around 2.8 to 4.2 volts. And this voltage range can vary based on the amount of charge inside of the cell and the internal chemical makeup of the cell. Now, not every cell is made up of the same chemical components, mind you. If you compare two different cells from different manufacturers, then the chemical makeup and hence the performance may be quite different. And we're going to talk about this in a future video. Now you might be thinking, what dictates the number of cells inside of a lithium-ion battery? Well, a battery manufacturer will choose how many cells are required and how to connect these cells together inside of the pack based on the required voltage, current, energy and power characteristics of the battery pack. And this is application specific. For example, a mobile phone only needs to store a small amount of energy. So you may only have one cell inside of the battery pack. Whereas a lithium-ion battery pack from a premium power tool may have around 5 to 10 of these cells. An e-bike pack may have somewhere between 20 to 70 of these cells. An electric vehicle pack may have hundreds or even thousands of these cells. So you can see that there's a major difference with the number of cells inside of a pack and the associated energy stored in this pack when looking across different applications, that is. And this means that we often need to assess the risks of a particular lithium-ion battery device for a particular application. We cannot just risk assess using lithium-ion batteries in general.